Well, there you just heard and watched the Prime Minister inaugurate a milestone in India's maritime infrastructure as he inaugurated the Vizhinjam International Seaport right now. In fact, very interesting to see the visuals of it coming in. There you have Prime Minister Modi with Shashi Tharoor shaking his hand, a very warm smile on his face. Of course, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who is the BJP chief of the state of Kerala, is also there. Let me go across to our reporters. Well, we are being joined by Arpita as well as Niyamika. Arpita, I'm going to come to you. This is, of course, a very significant day today because it is going to go a long way in Kerala's maritime infrastructure, which gets a big boost, and its ports also, which are going to be expecting a lot of business to be churning out because of this, but also the politics behind it. It's very interesting to see that the Prime Minister specifically thought of mentioning Shashi Tharoor being in the crowd, saying this will give sleepless nights to many. Whom is he talking about? Arpita, if you can hear me. Well, there seems to be a bit of a problem there. We'll try and reconnect. Let me put that same question across to Niyamika. Niyamika, very interesting choice of words by the Prime Minister there. Well, there seems to be a bit of a problem there.
Sessions or various press conferences which are being held by...
Yes, we can hear you, Niyamika. Go ahead.
Yeah, so like I was mentioning that during the various press conferences which was being addressed by the senior Congress leaders, we have seen that how there were several questions, several allegations which were being put upon the BJP government at the center, that the Congress party has also put out a series of questions, hum Adani ke hai kaun? So that was basically the line which was being taken by the Congress party at that point of time. And now when there is this inauguration which is currently taking place in the state of Kerala, we have seen that how a credit war has already started in that particular state, as on one side it is the LDF government which is trying to take credit, but on the other side the Congress party also can be seen there, as it was its own MP Mr. Shashi Tharoor who has not just welcomed Prime Minister Narendra Modi at that particular area, but also he was being seen there during the entire event. He has also welcomed this move of the inauguration of this port, as he has also stated that he was being there since the very beginning, as it was a long pending demand of the Congress party for the completion of this particular developmental project in the state of Kerala. We have also spoken to the Kerala Congress MP, who is also the chief whip in Lok Sabha, Mr. K. Suresh, regarding this entire matter, and he has also told us that it was basically the then Chief Minister Umang Chandy who has approached the Adani Group in particular for this developmental project, and he has also informed us that at the very beginning it was Mr. Gautam Adani who was not really sure about this project for taking up, but Mr. Umang Chandy had given him proper assurance. He had also done consultations with the Congress High Command. Right. So that is the clear reason why we have seen that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also started questioning the Congress party's official stance over this entire issue. That on one side you raise questions upon the Adani Group, or you raise question upon the BJP government in particular.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us. We'll just come back to you, Niyamika. You're absolutely right. The Congress is trying to say that all the credit must go to Umang Chandy, who initiated the process. On the other hand, you have Shashi Tharoor, who himself came out and said, from the beginning, I have been part of this project. Now, this is what the Prime Minister had to say about Shashi Tharoor during his speech. Listen in.
हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी मैं कहना चाहूंगा, आप तो इंडिया अलायंस के बहुत बड़े मजबूत पिलर है। यहां शशि थरूर भी बैठे हैं, और आज का ये इवेंट कई लोगों की नींद हराम कर देगा।
Well, let me go across to Udit Raji, who is joining us of the Congress party. Udit Raji, you just heard the Prime Minister. He said कई लोगों की नींदें खराब हो जाएंगी when they see Shashi Tharoor with Prime Minister Modi. Has that happened?
मैं हिंदी में उन्होंने बोला था तो पहले मैं हिंदी में बोल देना चाहता हूँ,
जी,
अगर
बिल्कुल।
चाहे कहिए। क्या हिंदी में मैं बोल दूं?
जी बिल्कुल, बोलिए उदित राज जी।
नींद हराम उनको कहा, पूरा विपक्ष मोदी सरकार के साथ खड़ा हुआ है कि पाकिस्तान को सबक सिखाएं, पाकिस्तान का नींद हराम करें, और प्रधानमंत्री जी विपक्ष की नींद हराम करने में लगे हुए हैं। तो प्रधानमंत्री की नींद हराम होनी चाहिए जो पहलगांव में होना चाहिए, और फिर प्रधानमंत्री जी को नींद हराम करना चाहिए पाकिस्तान को पहलगाम में उन्होंने किस तरह से
मगर उदित राज जी, आपको जो मैंने पूछा आपने उसका तो उत्तर नहीं दिया। मैंने आपको एक डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा, शशि थरूर और प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ऐसे वार्म शेक हैंड्स जो कर रहे हैं, जो विजुअल ऑप्टिक्स है वो देख के क्या कांग्रेस की नींद हराम हुई? आप इस पे चले गए, पहलगाम पे चले गए, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी पे चले गए, मगर ये आपने मेरा जवाब नहीं दिया।
Now let me tell you one thing, that Mr. Modi is attacking opposition, rather making a sarcastic joke on opposition and saying that of course it's a jerk to the opposition, but at the same time, what jerk Pakistan has given to us, what Pakistan has given to us, that is a time for Mr. Modi to give the same wound to the Pakistan. So he is not worried about the Pakistan, but
he's not worried about Pakistan. He is having meetings. He's come here
of course,
for an
whatever it
instruction.
may
But
be. This is
Mr.
not the
Udit
time.
Raj ji,
This is not the
I will
time.
ask you the same question for the third time. I don't like asking you the same question for the third time, but you're not answering me. Is the Congress getting sleepless nights when they see Prime Minister Modi with Shashi Tharoor? Because we all have seen how Shashi Tharoor has been quite a bit of a fanboy of Prime Minister of late.
Your trap, I know your agenda is some media who is responsible for.
अरे क्वेश्चन पूछे तो एजेंडा हो गया. How is this an agenda? I'm asking you direct questions.
What you do. So do you think that I will fall? I'm a duffer? What you want to ask from me that I'll answer?
अरे उदित राज जी, आप बुरा मान गए. क्वेश्चन पूछना मेरा काम है. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं, आप आंसर ना दे, फिर बुरा मान जाए. Anyway, Anil Anthony of the BJP is also joining us. Anil Anthony, we asked Udit Raj ji about if Congress is getting sleepless night. He says Prime Minister should have sleepless nights over Pahalgam.
Thank you. Thank you for having me in your show. Today, Honorable Prime Minister is in Kerala, where the Vizhinjam International Seaport has been dedicated to the nation. It is a big day for Kerala. It's a project that has been ongoing for a long time. It's almost a 9,000 crore project, where after development, this will ensure that a lot of ships which are currently cargo ships and even transport ships that are currently right now operating from other countries, they will all be coming to India, like for future purposes. It will be a huge boost to Kerala's economy and even Indian economy. So the Prime Minister has gone there for that, and it is very sad to see our opposition, the India Alliance members, who are using every opportunity just to bring petty politicization. The Prime Minister was in a visit to Saudi Arabia when the Pakistan-sponsored terror attack happened, and immediately he cut short his visit. He came back. At the airport itself, he had taken stock of the situation. After that, high-level meetings have been going on at every level, almost every day, which the Prime Minister is routinely attending. Plus, strong diplomatic as well as a lot of action has been taken, and he has given full support to the army to take any action that is the army finds fit. So at this moment, everything is, and it's a large country, and the Prime Minister is responsible for governing the country also, and he is ensuring that everything, people are not put second in any manner, and like all the priorities of the people are not impeded by anything else. So it is very sad to see all the opposition trying using.
Well, that's interesting what you say. The BJP's come out and said people are the priority of the Prime Minister. Pahalgam is being taken care of. Now he's also ensuring that there is Vikas, which the Prime Minister gives to the people because that's his priority. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Anil Antony for joining us. Let me go across to Shehzad Poonawalla. I believe this is what he has to say in another scathing attack on the Congress party.
ने कांग्रेस पार्टी के और इंडिया अलायंस के दोहरे चरित्र को पूर्ण तरीके से एक्सपोज कर दिया। एक तरफ तो विलियम अडानी पोर्ट के अनावरण पर, इनॉग्रेशन पर कम्युनिस्ट मुख्यमंत्री पिनराई विजयन मंच पर थे, शशि थरूर कांग्रेस के सांसद मंच पर थे। कम्युनिस्ट सरकार कहती है कि अडानी हमारे पार्टनर है। कांग्रेस के नेता क्रेडिट लेने की होड़ में लगे रहते हैं कि लेफ्ट गवर्नमेंट को नहीं बल्कि ओमन चांडी गवर्नमेंट को इसका क्रेडिट मिलना चाहिए, इस पोर्ट का और इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का। और दिल्ली में इसी समूह को राहुल गांधी गाली देते हैं। इसका मतलब इंडिया अलायंस के नेता राहुल गांधी को सीरियसली नहीं लेते। शशि थरूर और कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग राहुल गांधी को सीरियसली नहीं लेते। और कैसे लेंगे? ये इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योरियल टैलेंट को लगातार गाली देते हैं, निजी सेक्टर को गाली देते हैं। और उसी सेक्टर से राजस्थान में जब सरकार थी तो निवेश लेते हैं, छत्तीसगढ़ में जब सरकार थी निवेश ले लेते हैं, तेलंगाना में MOU करते हैं, निवेश ले लेते हैं। तो ये दोहरा रवैया और दोहरा चरित्र, दिल्ली में गाली और केरला में लेंगे ताली, ये इस प्रकार से जो बन चुकी है इंडिया अलायंस की प्रणाली, आज इसको पूर्ण तरीके से एक्सपोज कर दिया है। और अब राहुल गांधी को जवाब देना चाहिए कि केरला में उनके नेता अडानी को वेरी गुड बोलते हैं और दिल्ली में वो उनको वेरी बैड बोलते हैं। दिल्ली में गालियां देते हैं, केरला में क्रेडिट लेना चाहते हैं। ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड कब तक चलेगा?
Well, there you have it. A massive war of words has been sparked off. The Prime Minister himself has said seeing Prime Minister Modi and Shashi Tharoor on the same stage with that warm smile is going to give sleepless nights to the Congress party. Well, this will be the top focus story right here on Times Now. For the timing, however, a short break. Don't go anywhere. Siddharth joins you on the other side.